Hello again friends. So today we are going to learn about part 2 of the consonants of the Telugu language. So let me write Telugu script. Now Telugu lipi. Now script is lipi and this is how we write it. We will learn slowly how we can write this. So let us start with consonants. So in the last class we have discussed ka, kha, gha, gha, nya. Now we will write 5 more consonants and then we will learn all the 10 at the same time. So let us start. The first consonant is cha. Cha. Again cha. So you are writing a 3, but you are writing a 3 on the horizontal side and then you are doing this. So it is called cha. Again cha. The second one is cha. Cha. So how do you write a cha? As we have discussed in the previous class, you put a horizontal dash in the middle which becomes cha. Again cha. Once more cha. Now if you remember the previous class, let me go to the previous class. So you see how we wrote kha here, ka kha, ga gha, right? So you are putting this horizontal dash in the middle. So likewise it is cha. Again we'll write cha again once more, cha. Now ja. It is called ja. You remember ru, and then with ru we just keep, it's the same symbol with a extension here. It is ja. Again what we are discussing now is ja. It is ja. Now the fourth consonant is, you might have guessed it. So you see here cha cha, ja ja, ja, ja. You see this head sound, ha sound, ja. 1 2 and this one. So you see the similarity between gha and ja is the same, but I will discuss it a little bit here. First I will write ja. So you see 1 2 and then you keep the horizontal dash in the middle here, not here, you are keeping it here. Now I will write gha. You put a smaller circle and then 2 larger ones, and then you put the dash here on the first one and then a tick mark here. So this is gha, ka kha, gha gha. This is gha. This is ja. So again this you see these two symbols might appear the same, but in fact they are different. You see how this dash is placed in a different position, and also this circle is bigger. Now let us come back to ja. So you write initially a circle and a Nike arrow, and then 1 2 and then middle, it is called ja. I'll write gha again, one small circle and then 2, and then you keep the dash on the first and then this is gha. What we are discussing now is jha. So this is jha. Jha. Now the fifth consonant that what we are going to discuss is gnya. Nya. I have told you in the previous class, what we discussed in the previous class is gnya. Gnya. But what we are discussing in this is, it is nya. Nya. It is nya. So again, you have known from the vowels class that this is E. You just have to write E and then put a plus mark. Nya. Nya. So again, let us come back from the first. This is cha cha, ja ja, nya. Cha cha, ja ja, nya. You see how the head sound is here, and then remember the difference between the dash that is in jha and the dash in gha. Again, both of them have a head sound. Cha cha, ja ja, nya. So that's all for today's class. We will discuss more consonants in tomorrow's section. Happy learning. Namaste.